Incoming device is the iPhone X, black in color. Rear camera lens
Mine was
not
about the
appeared to be
same, it's
cracked.
just ported.
There is a crack
And that was one of the
near the
problems,
upper
is that
left-hand
it was,
area of the
you know, this is
rear
bending
camera
there,
lens.
you're
The
trying to
bottom
line
left
things up
and
here.
bottom right-hand corners are cracked, causing a spider to go up the back of the device. Taking a look at the bottom of this device, it does have both bottom two screws, but the charging port
Soon
is
they're
a
gonna
little
probably
bit
tell me I
loose,
can't
but
bring
it is
that on
still
an
taking
airplane,
an
right? 'Cause then-
incoming charge current of 1.6 amperes. Taking a look at the front of the device. Even though there is a crack spanning from the upper left-hand quadrant of the device, that does pass the 6-point digitizer test. Go ahead and test the rear camera's working. Front camera is working. Power button, volume button, and volume rocker all give smooth feedback. It is a Sprint device. It is at... unable to check the battery percentage, but we'll go ahead and take a look at the parts cost and see how much